Take command of the road in the 2007 Acura MDX. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, front and rear air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Acura ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.